A tsunami can travel at hundreds of kilometers per hour, sweeping across vast oceans in no time. While a Category 5 hurricane carries a force equal to dozens of nuclear bombs combined. It sounds like science fiction, but this is reality. The cold numbers come alive, turning into scenes of destruction that rip through streets, shake even the strongest structures, and push human endurance to its limits. Right now, you're about to embark on a journey to witness the planet's true power. From towering waves in the open ocean to snowy mountains that seem calm yet hide deadly threats, all it takes is a single moment to erupt into chaos. The vast city was instantly swallowed by the darkness of a massive storm. Skyscrapers trembled in the furious winds, as if surrounded by an invisible force. Each gust roared and howled, as though trying to tear the sky apart, sweeping away everything in its path and turning glamorous New York into a chaotic battlefield. Take a look at what's happening in a small village in Colombia. In just a matter of seconds, a massive flood swept through, submerging the entire area under a vast sea of water. Thankfully, the residents managed to evacuate in time, escaping the disaster without any injuries. Still, the damage was severe. Around 30 homes were left heavily damaged and now require urgent repairs. You can see this massive landslide tumbling down non-stop, sweeping away everything in its path without any warning. The entire route is almost completely blocked off, leaving no way out. Several homes are now in grave danger, forcing residents to flee in panic because even a minute's delay could come at a devastating cost. I am certain you'll be absolutely terrified when you witness this torrent of water, often called the ultimate destruction machine with unstoppable power. Not even close. What comes next will truly send shivers down your spine. A British cargo ship is caught right in the eye of the storm. Towering waves, like walls of water, crash against it one after another, tossing the massive vessel around like a toy boat in the ocean. The wind howls relentlessly, slamming into the hull and shaking the mast violently. Seawater floods the deck, swallowing every passage and threatening the control systems. Inside the cockpit, the crew could barely stand as every instrument shook violently and alarms blared non-stop. Yet after a tense struggle, thanks to his skill and experience, one sailor not only kept the ship safe but also managed to capture this terrifying once-in-a-lifetime moment on film. But just seconds later, the scene before our eyes turned into a nightmare in the heart of New York. This guy risked it all to capture every moment and act that was reckless, maybe even a little foolish, yet it gave us one of the most raw and haunting pieces of footage of nature's power. right at the peak of that vast snowy mountain where everything seemed still and peaceful, a massive sheet of snow suddenly broke loose, crashing down the slope at terrifying speed. The cause could be as little as a minor tremor, or even the trace of human activity left behind by a ski track, factors that might appear harmless, yet powerful enough to shatter the fragile balance of an entire snow mass. Just a moment later, the entire scene changed. That avalanche came roaring down like a monster, exploding into a whiteout that swallowed everything in its path. Its terrifying force could wipe out everything in front of it, even leveling an entire village in the blink of an eye. And afterward, all that remained was a cold, haunting white wasteland where life lay buried beneath layers of snow, drowned in chilling silence.
哦，感觉那个妈起码有几十百把斤的东西给砸死。
Everyone dreams of living by the beach, drawn to its peaceful beauty, but behind it lies nature's unpredictable harshness. Now, the sea level is rising rapidly, eroding massive sections of the shoreline. Even more alarming, the very homes that seem so tranquil are perched on collapsing ground, as if waiting for the moment to be swept away. What you've just seen is only a small glimpse of the disaster. The truth is far more terrifying. Nature still hides even greater destruction behind doors you've never opened. Get ready, because in the next video we'll bring you chills like never before. It's hard to believe that a 230,000-ton ship once seen as a symbol of strength and stability could be rocked by fierce winds as if it weighed nothing at all. Truly, when it comes to nature, nothing is impossible.